Tweet is my name,
Good YouTube. Your boy back with a small job, a small easy job. This ain't gonna take no time to fix, cause I ain't gotta do nothing but go get a dough, paint it. It was in a hit and run. Somebody hit it, ran. But the dough don't open up all the way. So what I'm gonna have to do, I already gotta cut that off so I can open the door, cause I don't want to damage the fender no more than what it is. So I'm gonna pull on that too and fix all this stuff for her. Even though she just paid for the dough, she didn't have enough to fix this, but I'm gonna just throw it in there because it ain't nothing but this right here though. So small, so I'm gonna do it anyway. Yeah, small job. That means that the big job is on a delay for about like 2 days or so at the most. But y'all already know that box Chevy's then they're ready for paint. I gotta prime it up one more time. I'm shooting that bad boy right after this. But people don't realize though, small jobs like this gonna always roll through here, and it's gonna always put a pushback on the big jobs, because this job is easy. I'm not gonna turn this down. It's too easy of a job. Easy money, man. Easy money. Just replacing the door painted. Easy money. Y'all stay tuned. Knock this out. I'm gonna show y'all the whole video. I can paint the door, you know, scuff it up or whatever. And if the door got bodywork on it, because I'm going to get a used door, so it might have slight bodywork on it. But I'm gonna take y'all to the yard with me so we can see the dough that we're gonna go get. But then, stay tuned. We got the dough, y'all. Well, I was hoping to try to find one that was the same color, so I won't have to paint the jams, this jam, but obviously I didn't, so I found one. It was a pearl white. It's in good condition, ain't no dings, no dents, no nothing. Trying to find one the same color as this, so would have been nice, but you know how stuff don't always go good. Y'all already saw this dough was bent up. I'm gonna replace this joint. Trying to figure out how I'm gonna take it off though, but I'll figure all that out. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, back. We got the other door on there. Open and close. So we good on the door, minus these little nicks and knacks that I'm gonna take care of. What I'm doing with the dough over here, I'm just trying to compare the color from the color that I got from the paint store. And it come, man, I might not have to blend. It's like it's dead on. Cause this the paint from the paint store and this the color. Man, it's dead on, so I might not have to blend into the back door, but I'm gonna do my base coat and I'm gonna see. But so far so good. We got the door on. I'm gonna take the mirror off, put that on, mask it all up from inside out so I can shoot this part of the jam. So I ain't gonna put the door panel on yet because I'm gonna shoot it first, and then I'm gonna throw the door panel on in the mirror. So y'all stay tuned. Like I said, it's an easy job, man. Easy job means easy money. And who don't like easy money? Okay, YouTube, I'm back. Even though I got a slight problem, I only got black prime. And I really want to use gray prime on this type of color. So what I'm gonna do, or what I did already, I sanded it down with a maroon scuff pad. And then I sanded it back down with some 1000 grit, because I'm gonna just throw just the base coat just over this since I don't got no gray prime. by me not having no prime. It ain't nothing wrong with this dough at all. Right, the dough solid with no dings or nothing in there. We gonna shoot straight over this color. So yeah, it's sand it down right now. I'm finna wipe it down and blow it off, and I'm gonna hit y'all back when it's space coated. It's that blue metallic. It's that Eastwood. Y'all know what time it is. Color nice though. Okay, here we go. Got 4 coats of clear. 4 coats of clear. So we glassed out. I'll unwrap it in the morning. So far, so good. I'm gonna let y'all see the color match on it, because the color match pretty good on it. To the point where I didn't have to blend. So good on that. But it sit overnight. Turn the heat up to like 79, 80. Bake this bad boy. Yeah, I'm just showing y'all that the colors match up pretty good, man. It's pretty good to not be blending. It's dead on. Yeah, I'm just showing y'all that the colors match up pretty good, man. It's pretty good to not be blending. It's dead on.